Hey, come on in. Welcome, you guys. Bellmy Cherries here. I am taking y'all in on a brow. I'm utilizing all of my purchased, I couldn't have stolen them. Anywho, all of my ABH brow products. We originally had this in our kit, brow frizz styling wax. Not much of a fan of this. However, I have acquired a few of other of their ABH brows, but these are gonna be placed to rest because they're gonna be put to rest because the way ABH is coming through with a brow pencil is a killer. I'm gonna put a picture of it on the side here. I can't wait to put my hands on it. I'm still on the no buy moment right now, so waiting till April the 10th, okay? However, we're gonna enjoy these products here. We have a medium brown brow definer. This is felt tip, I believe. No, this is a pen, like a crayon. And we have their brow pen in shade dark brown, which is like brush tip for little small strokes. And we have another one, but in shade ebony, another brow pen. Ebony is more of a cool tone stroke. And then we have this baby here, which I've been using, the clear brow gel. Different from the wax, because the wax is to, if you're into laminating your brows or whatever to get a look going, yeah, but it doesn't hold as the gel does. So we're gonna go ahead and create our brows on this side of video utilizing these beautiful products here. I'm going in with one of the pencils just to create little hair strokes. With a steady hand, y'all see, little by little, we're getting some fillings here. I'm even purposely going to where I'm not supposed to, so y'all could see the strokes of it all. And yeah, I'm going in first with that. Let's keep it steady. We have not put anything but a little essence onto the skin, so no moisturizer. We're going straight to the brows. Yeah, see these strokes? And the pencil that's coming in is so fine. I'm afraid for life using it, but I'm so excited at the same time. Okay, so we do that as a little fill-in. It did something. The only thing I don't have is this in like a tint version. It would be very nice. The next one would be this, the pencil part. That's just mainly if I do want to have that heavy duty brow look. I could let's just give a base to this with that. You see what just happened there? I'm gonna leave the third of the inner part of the brow. We're just gonna go ahead and create that nice clean line fading into the brow, and everything else just doop doop doop. So yes, that's that. And finally, I want to use the gel last because we have the depth, we have the carviness or the design we want for our brows. We just want to hold that put in place. Okay, whether it appears fluffy or laminated, I don't care for that. However, as long as it stays put and it doesn't get unruly at the end of the day. And I'm going against the hair just to coat the underneath, so when it's laid onto my skin or the other hairs beneath it, it will stay put. Okay, so that's that for the brows. A nice and easy peasy 1, 2, 3 step. Along the video, we're gonna go ahead and utilize our concealer and everything else to give us a full clean look, and y'all see the end result. Hope this was educational for y'all. Hope it was helpful for somebody out there starting into the makeup journey. Your brows does everything. Your brows frames your face. Okay, a full beat face without a sleek or effortless clean brows, you look like you did nothing. So hope this helps. This is not the 2016 brows look. I have never been a fan of the 2016 brows. It's too bulky, too heavy for me. But I like a little flowy, effortless, nice and clean brows with my look. So stay tuned for other videos to come. And until next time, my loves. This is the full face with the brows. It stays put. It's a little luminous. I didn't place any powders over it or anything, but it stays put. That's what we got. And yeah, check out the other video for the full face, which foundation was used, and all the whole 9 yards. And we keep it cute. Until next time, my love. Bye-bye.